That loser Mark! He stole the Trueverse contract from my hands. This is a disaster for V Corp.
Calm down, Victor. Don't shout. The children are here.
No, Elena! They must know. The family of Lily is our enemy now. Mark stole from us. So, Sophia, you and Hunter, both of you must defeat Lily and her friends at school and everything. Do you understand?
Yes, Daddy. I understand.
Good. In this house, we don't accept second place. You must always be number one. Defeat Lily and her friends. If you fail, you are not a true Harper.
Thank you, Sophia. You are the best. Don't worry, Lily. Big rocks are nothing. I am always watching you. I will never let you get hurt. Sophia, you are like a real superhero. Of course, because we are best friends. Look ahead. The swings are free. I will push you very high. Yay! High to the sky. And after the swings, can we ride the carousel together? Yes, we can do everything you want today. As long as we hold hands, we can go anywhere. Look, Sophia. I saved my pocket money to buy this for us. It is a puzzle heart. The yellow side is mine, and the white side is yours. When we put them together, our hearts are one. It is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen, Lily. I will keep it with me forever. Friends forever, Sophia. Friends forever, Lily. We promised always together. Why did you change, Lily?
And the first place gold trophy goes to Lily from Lilytown. Congratulations!
Oh, thank you so much!
And a big round of applause for our second place winner, Sophia Harper.
Yay! Thank you, everyone! Thank you, Sophia. You played so smart today. Your clever moves almost beat me. I think we both deserve first place. You are the best, Lily. Second place is a wonderful score for me. Today we are both winners.
No. This cannot be real. This is a nightmare!
Daddy, I am home. Daddy, look! I got second place in the town chess competition. Am I good?
Second place? Yes, good job, my daughter.
Yes! The final match was so exciting, Daddy. Lily, my best friend, played so well and won the first place gold cup. We promise to always be a team. Ah!
Who did you lose to? Lily? The daughter of that terrible man, Mark?
Yes, Lily from our neighborhood. Daddy, what is wrong?
Failure. Shame. Mark and Arthur took my company. They made me bankrupt. I have nothing.
And now, his daughter stands above my daughter to take number one?
Daddy, I am sorry. I didn't know about the adults. Second place is still a good score. Daddy, I am sorry.
Listen to me. In this world, second place is just the first loser. Mark destroyed me. so you must destroy his daughter on the chessboard. From today, I forbid you to smile with that girl! You must win! In every test, in every score at school, you must crush Mark's daughter under your feet. Do you hear me?
Yes, I hear you, Daddy. I will win. I will not lose to her again. I am sorry, Daddy. Daddy, are you okay? Your jacket, it is broken.
I am totally fine, my sweet girl. Don't worry about my clothes.
Victor Harper, you cannot hide. You don't have a car anymore, so you walk? Pay us our money. Our families have nothing to eat because of you.
Sophia, please, listen to Daddy. Those men are just my friends.
We are just talking. It is okay. Walk into the school gate right now. Don't look back, okay? Go!
Hey, you! Your dad is Victor Harper, right? He is a thief. Yeah! Your dad took all the money from our fathers. Our families have nothing now!
No, please, I don't know anything about money.
Don't lie. You wear nice clothes because your dad scammed people. You are a fake rich girl! Tell your dad to give our money back. Go home and tell him.
Daddy, please help me. Stop it! Leave her alone! Sophia did nothing wrong. Go away. Sophia, are you okay? Did they hurt you? Don't touch me. You hypocrite! Your dad did this to my family! Your dad ruined my father. I hate you. I hate all of you. Sophia, please stop. Sophia. I am sorry. I didn't know. No, Lily is my friend. She didn't do it. It is not Lily's fault. I was too mean. I must go back and say sorry to her.
Sophia's dad is a terrible man. My dad said his company V Corp is finished. He ruined everything.
Yeah. My mom said everyone in town is talking about them. It's shameful. Sophia's dad is a truly evil man and a fraud. My dad told me that V Corp sold bad, dangerous food to people. A lot of people got sick and had to go to the hospital. He deserves to lose everything. I wonder if Sophia is just like her dad too. She probably is. Bad people stay with bad people. I wonder if Sophia is just like her dad too. He deserves to lose everything. Bad people stay with bad people. I wonder if Sophia is just like her dad too. Bad people stay with bad people. My home, they took my home too. Everything gone. Mark, Lily, your family took everything from my father. I hate you to my bones!
After that painful day, Sophia never came back to school. She just disappeared.
Lily tried everything to find her best friend. She ran to the playground, she searched every street, and she asked everyone in town. But there was only silence. Sophia completely cut the bond. No letters, no phone calls, and no goodbyes.
I hate this place! This room is dirty!
Why?
do we have to eat this garbage food while Richie and Lily live like kings?
Hunter, please, don't say that.
Stop crying. Wipe your tears right now. A Harper does not weep in defeat.
Listen to me. Mark and Arthur think they won, but this failure is only temporary. V Corp is not dead because I am not dead.
I know, Daddy. I am not crying. I am not weak.
We are just waiting in the dark. I will rebuild my empire, and we will take back everything they stole from us. Everything!
Lily thinks she is above me now. But she is wrong. I will defeat her at school. I will win every test, every game, and every trophy.
I will never let the Lily family look down on us again.
That is my daughter. We are lions, and they are just prey.
Victor Harper, the man who raised V Corp from the ashes. V Corp stock surged by 200%. By reviving V Corp, Victor Harper became a legend.
Wow, is that her? Look at her clothes!
Yes, they look so expensive.
I heard V Corp is back. Her dad is a legend now.
She is so beautiful.
She's like a queen.
Where did she go?
I did not see her for a long time. Class, please look up. We have a very special surprise today.
Please welcome back Sophia Harper. She is joining our class again. Thank you.
Hello, Lily. Long time no see.